Welcome. In today's tutorial, you are going to learn how to screen record on iPhone 11, which includes iPhone 11 Pro and other series, including Pro Max, okay? By default, the screen recorder is not enabled in iPhone 11, alright? You can't find it in the control section, alright? It's not here. So the first thing you need to do is to add it so that it will be showing in the control. And for you to do that, tap the settings, okay? So the settings on the home page. As the settings open, scroll down and get to the control center. See the control center here, alright? So tap on it. Alright, by default, the options or the features that are added in the control center are flashlight, timer, calculator, and camera. So we are going to add the screen recorder to this list. So we will scroll down until we get to screen recorder. Alright, you can see that there. So tap on the plus sign. Alright, so let's go up. You can see this screen recorder is now on the list of included controls. So with this now, let me get to the home page. With this, whenever I want to record a screen, I will swipe down through the top, place my finger at the top right, okay, and then swipe down. You can see screen recorder is one of the options here. So I can tap on it for it to start recording my screen. And also note, make sure that the microphone is enabled when you tap on this feature if you want to record with your voice, alright? Alternatively, you can download a third-party screen recorder, alright? So just tap on the App Store and search for screen recorder, okay? There are a lot of them, okay? A lot. You will see a lot of them. You can get this one, you can get this one, you can get SR recorder, a lot. So get any of them and then learn how to use it and then start using it to record your screen. I hope this guide helps. Please, if it does, hit the like button so that this video will go viral. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Thank you and see you some other time.